Hi, we're Girls with Heart Ambassadors Bria and Taylor, and we're going to be showing you two important moves in tennis, the forehand and the backhand. So here, for the forehand, you want to have your toes facing the net, slight bend, and your shoulders just a little bit over your knees. And then from there, you want a nice split step, and then we're going to do a unit turn, which is only my upper body moving. Nice tilt in the racket, then you will drop the racket as if you're petting a dog. Then you will use your offhand, which is just in the middle, to keep your balance. And as you're moving in, this will face your chest, and the butt of the racket will be facing the net. As if you continue to pull, this, which is the face of the racket, will face the net, which is your contact point. And from there, to finish on the stroke, you want to have it over your shoulder, and that's the forehand. Now you try with me. Ready position. Turn, drop, contact, swing, finish. One more time. Ready position. Turn, drop, contact, swing, finish. Last time. Let's go. Ready position. Turn, drop, contact, and swing, finish. Okay, so let's get started on the backhand. This is our ready position. You want your arms to be slightly over your knees. Then you split step. You do your unit turn, and you'll see I have not moved my feet yet. Then, your racket should automatically be pointing the ground. You pull through, which is contact point, then follow through. And that's the backhand. Now you try the backhand with me. Split step, turn, drop, contact point, follow through. Let's do it again. Split step, turn, drop, contact point, follow through. One more time. Split step, turn, drop, contact point, follow through. Now that's the backhand. You got this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Justice videos.